Hello guys, this is Lethe Art Studio with a video about color theory. In this video we are going to learn about the color basics and how you can combine them in your creations. First of all, we need to know about the basic colors: red, yellow, and blue. Red. It expresses excitement, energy, passion, courage, and attention. It is used for stimulation and creates urgency and draws attention. Red is used for caution and encouragement. Yellow. Yellow is connected to enthusiasm, opportunity, spontaneity, happiness, and positivity. It is used to stimulate. It encourages relaxation. It awakens awareness. Yellow energizes and affects mood. Blue. Blue shows trust and responsibility, honesty, wisdom, loyalty, and security. It draws attention and creates calmness. Blue reduces stress, it relaxes, it communicates consciousness and stimulates productivity. Green. It is a combination of blue and yellow. It is connected to harmony, kindness, reliability, stability, and balance. It is used to restore energy, promote growth, support relaxation and balance. Orange. It comes from yellow and red. Orange is an optimistic color and is connected to independence, creativity, and fun. It stimulates, it communicates fun, it draws attention, and it expresses freedom. Purple. It is blue and red combined. Purple is promoting imagination, spirituality, compassion, sensitivity, and mystery. It encourages creativity, it inspires, it combines wisdom and power, and it creates an impression of luxury. Now that we talked about the basic colors and their combinations, let's see what colors result from different amounts of their combinations. For example, if you put more red and less yellow, you will come to a tone of orange that is more red, obviously. It is more like the color of a roof tile rather than the color of an orange or of a strawberry. It is something in between. In the color wheel, as closer as you are to the center, the more intense the color is. The more color material you add to your drawings, the more color intense the surface will be. This happens to all colors. More color material means more intensity, clear color, precise color. More blue physical material will affect the value of the color on your painting, how light or dark it is. It also affects its chroma, which refers to its intensity and its saturation. This leads us to the monochromatic scale. Each color has a single base hue. Monochromatic color schemes are extended using the color shades, tones, and tints. Tints are achieved by adding white, and shades and tones are achieved when you add the darker color, gray or black. If you decide to use monochromatic scale, you choose a specific hue of the color wheel. Monochromatic color schemes can lead to opportunities in art and visual communications design. The color relations. Analogous. Analogous are the groups of color that are next to each other on the color wheel. The term analogous refers to having analogy. You can create a rich monochromatic look with an analogous color scheme. Analogous colors create a certain temperature, proper color harmony. Triadic. Triadic color schemes use colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel. Triadic color harmonies usually are vibrant, even if they use pale versions of hues. To use this method successfully, let one color dominate and use the others for accent. Complementary. These colors are opposite on the color wheel. They create high contrast. Complementary colors are tricky to use in large amounts, but they work well when you want something impressive. Split complementary. This is a variation of the complementary color scheme. In this scheme, you use the base color and two colors adjacent to its complement. It has the same strong visual contrast with the complementary color scheme, but with less tension. So the basic ways to use the color wheel are the monochromatics, the triadic, the complementary, and the split complementary schemes. Use them in various designs and make your drawings more cool and more balanced. I hope this was helpful and it will motivate you to do more drawing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another drawing video. Happy drawing, bye guys!